Hi everyone, it's Carl here from Sydney, Australia, and in this video we're going to learn about countries and nationalities that end in SH or ish. This country is Britain or the UK. He is from Britain, he is British. He's the wonderful best Doctor Who ever, Tom Baker. They are from Britain. They are British. They're the British royal family. It is from Britain. It is British food. And the British make very good breakfasts. This country is Denmark. She is from Denmark. She is Danish. They are from Denmark. They are Danish. And it is from Denmark. It is Danish food. The Danish really know how to make nice, sweet desserts. This country is England. It's part of the UK. She is from England. She is English. You might know her as the wonderful singer Adele. They are from England. They are English. And it is in England. It is an English castle. Well worth a visit. This country is Finland. He is from Finland. He is Finnish. They are from Finland. They are Finnish. Nokia is from Finland as well. It is from Finland. It is Finnish food. This country is Ireland. She is from Ireland. She is Irish. She's the Irish singer Enya. They are from Ireland. They are Irish. And it is from Ireland. It is Irish coffee. It's very delicious, but it will absolutely knock you flat if you have too much of it. This country is Poland. He is from Poland. He is Polish. He is the Polish cinematographer Janusz Kaminski, and he's been the cinematographer on a lot of Steven Spielberg's films. They are from Poland. They are Polish. It is from Poland. It is Polish food. I've had quite a lot of Polish food and it's always delicious. This country is Scotland. She is from Scotland. She is Scottish. They are from Scotland. They are Scottish. They're wearing Scottish kilts. And it is from Scotland. It is Scottish food. For example, haggis. This country is Spain. He is from Spain. He is Spanish. You might have seen him on the tennis court a few times. They are from Spain. They are Spanish. And it is from Spain. It is Spanish food. I absolutely love Spanish food. This country is Sweden. She is from Sweden. She is Swedish. You might have seen her in the group ABBA. They are from Sweden. They are Swedish. And it is from Sweden. It is Swedish food. In Australia, you can buy Swedish food in IKEA, which is a Swedish company. This country is Turkey. He is from Turkey. He is Turkish. He's the great Turkish leader Ataturk, and you can find his words in every major Australian city. They are from Turkey. They are Turkish. And it is from Turkey. It is Turkish food. The absolutely delicious Turkish gözleme. This country is Wales. She is from Wales. She is Welsh. They are from Wales. They are Welsh. And it is from Wales. It is Welsh food. That's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about countries that end in SH, and I hope it inspires you to go out and travel, or at least try some food from different restaurants, especially ones where the nationality ends in SH. See you next time. Bye.